Hi Jennifer, so I decided to make this little video to show you the model so you can understand the shape because it can be a little bit complicated if you don't get to see it in motion. So this is the proposed sculpture, penetrable sculpture, and I'm just gonna rotate it for you so you get a better sense of its structure. So it is inspired by the Klein bottle, which is this mathematical form. And what the Klein bottle proposes is an object that has a single surface. So I can go into the details of that later, but just so you can understand the physicality of it. So you would be able to enter this sort of tunnel. So you're entering the object through the tunnel, and then that tunnel intercrosses, has this sort of a cross section, and then you would be walking through it to enter the room. So that's kind of the way how it works, and it's inspired by the Mobius strip and all these kind of impossible forms. So just to go back to our concept model, we have the entrance is this one. This is our tunnel that leads you inside through this sort of U-turn. So that's what we call the bridge. It's like an interconnected bridge that leads up to a room. So what I'm gonna do is erase some of the ceiling pieces so you can get a peek of the interior of this shape, so you can understand how it works, how people get to enter it. So it has one entry, main entrance, which is the tunnel that I'm talking about here. So you are able to enter through this tunnel, go around, and then come inside the room through the back. So you're coming from this point, coming through in, and then you see the room inside. We're planning to create an exit, like create an emergency exit, of course, that will provide also a way for people to enter the room from the other side if they feel it like it. I was thinking maybe if the weather allows, if it's nice out, to be able to have this area open. So there's integration between the sculpture and the park or the area where this will be placed. So these are decisions that we can still make in order to make this piece as accessible as possible and as integrated with the location as possible, so it can become like the sort of hub of gathering from people in the community. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have more questions. I'm still going to send you some screenshots of this so you can share it if you need to. And I'll share an image of the Klein bottle here for you too, so you can have a better sense of this. Okay, thank you.